Hey everyone and welcome back. If you've ever been working on your Wix website typing away at some text and suddenly those pesky line breaks just don't behave the way you want, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to remove unwanted line breaks on Wix. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have full control over your site's text formatting, making your content look professional, polished, and exactly how you imagined. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Wix website design editor. If you're already logged in, just click Edit Site on the dashboard and you'll be taken straight into your design space. This is the main area where all the magic happens, where you can tweak, move, and customize everything to your taste. Once you're in the design editor, take a look at your site and locate the section with the text you want to adjust. If you're working from scratch, you'll want to add a text element. To do this, find the Add button, usually it's on the left sidebar, then choose Text. You have a few options here like a title, paragraph, or simple text box. Pick the one that fits your needs, drag it onto your page, and you're ready to start editing. Now, this is where controlling those line breaks becomes really important. When you add a text box, you might notice that Wix wraps your text automatically if there isn't enough space. To get more control and prevent awkward line breaks, click and drag the edges of your text box to adjust the width. It's kind of like stretching out a window. If your text box is narrow, the line breaks will happen more often, almost like squeezing words into a tight hallway. Widen the box and your text flows more smoothly across the page, giving you much more flexibility, especially for longer paragraphs or specific formatting. But what if you want to manually control where lines break? Say you want a single line, but pressing Enter gives you an extra space or creates a new paragraph. Here's the secret: instead of just pressing Enter, hold down the Shift key and then press Enter. This nifty shortcut inserts a soft line break, not a whole new paragraph. Think of it as the difference between starting a new thought versus just moving to the next line. For example, it's perfect for addresses, poetry, or any text where you need precise control over spacing. If you make a mistake, don't worry, just hit backspace or delete and try again. It takes a moment to get used to, but it's super handy once you get the hang of it. That's honestly all there is to it. Adjusting your text box's width acts as your first defense against unwanted line breaks, and using Shift plus Enter lets you place them exactly where you want, so your website looks neat, readable, and professional. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't look perfect the first time. Sometimes it's a bit of trial and error to get just the look you want, but with a little patience you'll get there. I hope this walkthrough made things clearer for you. If this video helped or you have any other Wix questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more straightforward tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy building!